The Little Rocket's Big Adventure. Once upon a time, in a small town, there was a boy named Timmy. Timmy loved rockets. He wanted to be an astronaut one day. Every day after school, he would build small rockets in his backyard. He used paper, plastic bottles, and even old toys. His friends often came to watch. One sunny Saturday, Timmy had a great idea. "I will build a big rocket," he said. He gathered all his materials, cardboard, glue, and colorful paint. He worked hard for many hours. Finally, his rocket was ready. It was tall and shiny with bright red and blue colors. Timmy named his rocket Starflyer. He was very proud. That evening, he invited his friends to see the launch. Everyone was excited. They counted down together. 3, 2, 1, blast off! Timmy pressed the button, and Starflyer flew into the sky. It went higher and higher, and everyone cheered. But then, something surprising happened. Starflyer began to spin. It twirled and twirled until it landed safely in a tree. Timmy laughed. "It's okay. Starflyer had a fun adventure." His friends agreed. They all climbed the tree to get the rocket. Timmy learned that not every rocket flies perfectly, but every adventure is special. From that day, Timmy and his friends kept building rockets. They knew that every launch could be an exciting story, just like Starflyer's big adventure.